Oh, you YouTube people out there, fans, watching, whatever. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you how to solder. Crusher Radiant, I know. Some people will know me as Crusher King. But yeah, I'm showing you how to solder. Watch as I slowly put the tip on the copper. Now, once that starts melting, you take away the solder first, then you remove the tip of the soldering iron. Right? And that's how you do solder. Then if you want to bridge them, do this, and slightly oh fudge. I messed up there. Whoops. Well, anyways, yeah. I'll just switch sides here. Now these things tend to cool easily and fast, and it's best to use some people say lead solder is good, but to me, lead-free solder helps a lot. And there's a bridging right there, as you can see. Yeah. Well, now we're gonna do a resistor. This little, hold on, let me get into it. A little resistor here. As you can see, it looks like a very small pill on a couple of wires. Now what we're gonna do is put it through one hole here, and then you bend the other end. Hold on. Sorry. And it's best to leave at least a one hole gap. That way you can well, maybe a 2-hole gap, because, yeah, then it'll actually fit. And, like so. Pull that off. Shoot. Hold on, mess this up. We'll be right back. And we're back. Alright, I managed to get it on there. Oh, shoot, wrong side. Hold on, let me just switch this up real quick. Here and there. There. Now, and then we take the soldering iron, and then the solder. Now we just go. There. Alright, now we're just gonna. Then you gently hold this soldering. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. Yeah, sometimes soldering irons will just stop working suddenly. And then, if that happens, then they're no good anymore. And then there, we have a soldered resistor. Then, what you want to do is take the wire piece, take like a wire snippers, snip, and you want to snip the excess wire, so that way you don't have any excess. And that is how you do soldering.